အခုကျွန်တော် Gangstar Marvel City ဆော့ပြတ်သွားမှာပါကျွန်တော်ကတော့အကောင့်မဖွင့်ရသေးပါဘူးအခုမှစတော့မှခဏပဲတောင်းထားတာမြင်လို့လေအပြားတန်ရောတီးခံပြီးပါလို့အမြန်တဲ့ Gangstar Marvel City ဆော့ရတော့မတည့်ကောင်းတယ်ဒါစပယ်ဖွင့်လိုက်မယ်ကိုဖန်လိုက်ရဟာရေဒါပဲရှိကိုဖန်လိုက်ရမြက်ခုံးမှားနေပါပြီမြက်ခုံးမွေးအရာတော့အမဲပဲဘုံပဲမျက်လုံးဒါမှမဟုတ်အင်ဂျီတော့ဒါအင်ဂျီOkay, fine. Ninga. Our YouTube channel with it. I'm at THAR. Even LATHA. Okay. The guy can't start you do higher. Say that.
A safer community is a more productive community. That's why Aurora is committed to transforming Brooklyn into a better version of itself. Aurora Bank, investing in a stable future for everyone.
We just here to rob you. We don't want to hurt anybody.
Hey,
Chief. Aurora's got backup coming in hot. We gotta slow them down.
Put the squeeze on that guy. Get him to close the security doors.
Whatever you want. Okay, I'm doing it. Oh God, please don't kill me.
Okay.
I don't want to die.
Ah, jeez. I don't get paid enough for this.
Good shit. Let's get out there. Manny needs backup.
What part of be cool don't these people understand?
Done screwing around. Think you're gonna fucking A, right? Okay, Chief. Alley-oop. You hear that? I think it's the money calling my name. Focus, man. Take down those cops first. Paul's in jail, come collect. Slow us down.
I got to go gas station.
Piece of cake. Only cake I'm interested in is what's stacked in the vaults. Get rich or die trying, am I right?
All yours, Chief. Plant those balls.
This'll be quick and easy, just a bust and grab. So quick, no one can see it coming.
Oh, man. My heart's pounding out of my chest.
I know I'm doing. So be it. They put me on my only town, I'm going on me. Say,
Find some cover, quick.
All right. Brace yourselves. Let's erase them. Grab what you can.
I'm going to do it.
Hot damn, that's a lot of candy.
Enough to buy you a few Sundays in TJ, that's for sure.
I've only ever seen this much cash in my dreams. Guess they really do come true.
It'll turn into a nightmare if we don't keep moving. Grab what you can and go.
Shit, they're here.
This is Aurora Security Forces. We're coming in.
Drop your weapons. You've got nowhere to run. IDs here. They're almost talking to the
loud.
Oh, shit, man. All right, Pete, do a real. Come on, let's ride. Just follow me.
Murder drive, dipshits. Nice one, Chief. Buttery smooth.
တကယ် GTA ပါနဲ့တူတယ်ဟာရေးတိုင်းဝင်တိုင်းဘောလိုက်တဲ့ထိတ်ဆုံးလာဘောလိုက်
They got us blocked. All right, detour. Stay close. You know, I was worried after Aurora bought the Brooklyn Police Department that they'd hire some cops who were actually good at their jobs. Clearly not. What a fucking relief, huh? That's our exit, Chief.
We got the whole fucking highway blocked up.